Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest, and today I bring you yet another smartphone from OUKITEL. Now OUKITEL is becoming kind of famous right now. They have many smartphones and they're known for their rugged smartphones, but also those with very large batteries. They're kind of like leaders really in the market if you're looking for a large battery smartphone. And this is another one. This is one of the most incredible ones. It's the OUKITEL K7, and I'm going to do a little unboxing, but I'm going to start by showing you the smartphone itself to begin with, because it's really very impressive. And here it is. It's the OUKITEL K7, and as you can see, it comes with a protective case included, a transparent protective case. I'll remove it right now so we can actually see what the device looks like. Let me see if I can remove it without breaking it. And yep, so obviously very large smartphone, but there's a reason for that, a very good one. Nice details here on the top and the bottom and also on the sides, and a very luxurious back, like here, like a faux fur pattern here, texture in the back with the dual cameras there. By the way, 13 plus 2 megapixel dual camera, fingerprint scanner right there, and the flash LED light. Now, the selling point here really is the battery. It's a 10,000 milliamp battery. 10,000, that's like probably one of the biggest ever made for a smartphone. That means you can, if you're not a very intensive user, you can pretty much use this smartphone for a whole week without charging. Now, think about it. Most smartphones have between 2,000, 3,000 and something milliamps. This one has 10,000. That's just unbelievable. Anyway, I'll let you know more about the specs in a minute. Just the unboxing as promised. So the box right here, the holding platform, and a lot of accessories inside. So we have the power brick here on top. Let me remove it. It's white, nice USB cable, micro USB for battery and to transfer files. OTG cable, USB to micro USB as well, can be useful sometimes. If not, well, it's always nice to have it. It comes included. Metal pick for the SIM card slot, so that's nice. You can open it very easily. Keep this in hand. You never know when you need it, and usually when you most need it, it's when you cannot find it, so just make sure to keep that. Warranty cards, also nice, so if there's something wrong that goes on with the device, you can always use that, or of course contact GearBest. And the instruction manual here in several different languages. K7 OUKITEL, read this before you start using. Now, the device itself, besides having that very big battery that's really incredible, it's running Android 8.1, so that's the latest Google OS operative system. Inside, it has 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigs of storage that can be expanded with micro SD cards with more than 128 gigs. Octa core CPU from MediaTek, clocking in at 1.5 gigahertz. As I mentioned, the big battery, that's 10,000, 10K milliamps inside. And also in the front, we have a 5 megapixel camera. Now about the device itself, I mentioned already the back cameras. It's a dual camera, actually, 13 plus 2 megapixel. The display, by the way, the screen looks amazing. 6-inch Full HD display, really cool right there. This is a stock version, by the way, of Android 8.1, so that's really cool. It's the clean version of the Google OS, very nice indeed. 3.5 millimeter jack on top, so you don't need to worry about using an accessory to, like most smartphones now, they don't have the 3.5 port. This one has, that's great. Here, the charger, the micro USB, and the speakers right there. Now, this obviously, it's not a smartphone for everyone. It's very imposing. It's larger, bulky, and large, but really, if you need a smartphone that can take you anywhere, everywhere, without having to worry about charging, this is it, the OUKITEL K7 10,000 milliamp battery. So that's it. Check the links below for all the remaining specs. The price is incredible. This is like a very cheap smartphone for all the specs, really incredible. Like and subscribe, and go to gearbest.com, check OUKITEL. They have amazing smartphones, amazing devices, gadgets, so check that out. Thank you very much. OUKITEL K7. Thank you.